There.
Hey guys, and welcome back. And today I am going to be making Christmas Snowflake Crunchy Slime. So I am using cut up straws for my Crunchy Slime. And I will show you how I got those in just a sec. So basically, if you don't know what Crunchy Slime is, it's basically you use clear glue and then you put it in this big bowl. And then what you do is you put your like straws or jewels or whatever you're going to use in it. And then you add your, what's it called? It's like, I don't know what it's called, but I'm using borax for mine. So I'm going to show you now what to do. So this is the clear glue. And so I am just using these like thicker straws. I'm trying to put this so you can see here. So just like that. And I will try not to spill my stuff again like I did before. So basically, I just get a bit like this, and then I put it down on the ground or the table that I'm using because they will explode like this one. It's like, and then you press and it's full. So I'm just gonna cut up this one. Basically, you want just like any straws. I'm just using these colored ones. Just use anything, pretty much. Like if you have jewels, you can use jewels. I think just straws are the easiest thing because everybody has them. Whoa, see like that one. So like everybody has them. So, and it doesn't really matter what all the thicknesses are. Oh yeah, and when you also get to the very end, you just like hold it and then you just, I like to cover my hand over it just so it doesn't fly everywhere. Now I need to find another one. Oh, I found another one. A different one. Okay. Okay. Then what you're going to do, then since you have these things now, you're going to take them and go like that. I put my hand over it just so they don't fly, and then you're just going to cut them. So I'm going to do the rest of these. It's pretty simple, but I used like 5, not full straws, they're like 5 half straws, but they're like pretty big. So if you were gonna do like a big straw, I'd probably do like 2 big ones. Yeah. So let me just finish this. Also, it doesn't really matter which way you cut it, so you can cut it different ways. Yeah. So on my last one now. So that's my snowflakes. And yep, the borax has all like disintegrated or whatever it's called. Oh, and maybe you can see my Christmas tree. My Christmas tree's over there. And then the Christmas music is playing. So I don't know how much is in here. So I'm just going to put one of these in because I have 2. I'm just going to put one of these in, I think. So I don't know how big it is. Okay, so it's probably like a cup. So, oh, there's going to be quite a bit. Okay, I think that's enough. Okay. So there's quite a bit in here. Like, maybe you can't see it, but there's like a lot. So, I don't think I have enough, but I'm going to start adding them in. Okay. Okay, they're all added in. Now I just need to mix them evenly throughout. Oh, that looks so awesome. So I'm finished, and it just looks super cool. So like that. So now I'm gonna use my activator. That's what it's called, activator. Okay, so get this out of the way. Oh yeah, that was for that. Okay, so now I have to slowly add it in. Okay, so it's sort of coming together. So I'm gonna just mix it. Oh, it's starting to come. I wish it was like see-through the whole time because like it turns sort of like jelly, and then it's not like what's it called? It's not see-through anymore. Okay, I think it's coming together now. Oh, that looks so good. Okay. So, it's really sticky though. So just stir it for a bit, and then it should come together. Like, this is what it looks like for me. Looks pretty good, I think. Oh, stuck to my hand. Okay. And then you want to use your hands at some point. So I'm just gonna... Oh my, okay, that's still really sticky. Maybe if I play with it a little. Oh! Oh my, okay. Okay, it's really sticky, but... I'm gonna put it back in, because it needs more borax. Boom. Please, be less sticky. Hey guys, I sneezed and my hand's all wet. Hopefully this will be better now. Yeah, it's better. Much better, much better, much better. Okay, let's see this. Oh, yes. Oh, I'm going to pour it on the floor again. Oh. It's really sticky still. I don't know why. So I'd say just play with it a little. Ugh. Okay, it needs more borax still. I don't know why it does. This, come on, it has to be done now. Oh, yep, here we go. Here it is. Get this off now. Yeah. So I'm trying to play with it so it becomes less sticky, but it's not really working. It's still really sticky. Yeah. some of my slimes, they can go onto like clothes and stuff, but this one I don't think would be able to. So, funny story, guys. I'm just telling stories to waste time. So, funny story, I was rolling out my fluffy slime the other day, and I was like, oh, I could get it really rolled out if I had a ball. And I had this baseball thing that I got at a birthday, and I got this baseball that was at a birthday, and it was like a squishy one, or like a bouncy ball sort of thing, and I tried to roll it out, and then my baseball got stuck in it, and then it was sort of just like, oh my gosh, what's gonna happen? Okay, I'm adding more borax because I've been playing with it for quite a while, and I just need more. Just like mix around the borax. There. Are you better now? Yes! Wait, is it good? I feel like it's still sticky, but maybe if I mix it in a bit more. Oh, getting better! Yes! Oh, it's amazing! Okay, maybe not. Maybe it's just because, maybe it's just because I have the extra stuff on my hands. So, I think this is pretty good. I maybe could have added more, but it looks pretty cool. Like, this side looks pretty cool. There's like a lot of blue, a bit more blue because I had one more blue straw than pink straw. So, I think it's still pretty good though. And it feels amazing when you squish it. I think that's maybe why they call it crunchy slime. And then there's also like so many air bubbles in it too. Oh, it's so amazing. It's beautiful. So I might make other kinds of this slime, crunchy slime. That's what it's called. I've been saying it the whole time, and then I forgot. So, oh, it looks so cool. What do you guys think? It looks cool. Okay. So I'm just gonna play with this for a while, and oh, it's amazing to squish. It sort of does like you can sort of like pull the cut up straws out, like push them back in, but I'm gonna just try to get the rest of this off me. It's like in between my fingers. Oh my, this one finger. This one finger though. Okay. Is my tool? Nope. So my cat's not up there anymore. She was on her tree, or not like her tree, like a real tree. It's like her cat tree. So I love this. I love this slime. There's a straw stuck in it. There. And I love this slime. Could I? It does what the fluffy slime does. Okay. So guys, I just love this slime very much. So, Christmas crunchy slime. Wait, Christmas snowflake crunchy slime. Christmas snowflake crunchy slime. 7 syllables. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching, and goodbye. So Don